Welcome to Oxbridge Montessori's digital learning platform.
Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Today we are going to learn about consonants. First letter here is G, G. G is the name of letter and G is the sound. And first picture here is grapes. Say grapes and focus on the beginning sound. What sound it produces in the beginning? Yeah, it's G, G. Next we have a picture of grass. Say grass and listen carefully. Grass. Yes, it produces the sound in the beginning. Girl. Girl is also beginning with G, G. And here we have a gate. Say gate. Gate also begins with G, G. And here we have a goat. Goat. Yeah, goat also begins with G, G. Next letter here we have J, J. J is the name of letter and J is the sound. We have a picture of jug. Say jug and listen carefully what sound it produces in the beginning. Jug. Jug. Yeah, J, J. Next is a goat. Say goat and focus what sound it produces in the beginning. Say goat and listen carefully what is the beginning sound of goat. Goat, goat, G. Here it says G, G. But it is not beginning with G, G, so we will cross it out. Here we have jelly. Say jelly. Yeah, jelly also begins with J, J. Jacket, jacket, J. Jacket is beginning with J, J. And here we have a jeep. J, jeep, jeep, jeep also begins with J, J. And here we have a jar of jam. A jar is beginning with J, J, jar. Here we have another letter and it is P, P. P is the name of letter and P is the sound. Let's see what we have here. A peacock. Say peacock and focus on the beginning sound. Peacock. Yes, it's P. P, P. Next picture is a potato. Say potato. Yeah, it's beginning with P. And next sound here is a pan. Pan. It is also beginning with P. P. P is here and here we have a pencil. Pencil. Yeah, it is also beginning with P. P. Parrot. Say parrot and focus on the beginning sound. Parrot. Here it is P. Next letter here we have Q, Q. Q is the name of letter and Q is its sound. First we have a picture of quail. Say quail and focus on the beginning sound. Here it is Q. Quill. Focus on the beginning sound. Here it's Q, Q. Q. Say Q and listen carefully what sound it produces in the beginning. Q. Queen. Yeah, queen is also beginning with Q, Q. Quilt. Say quilt and listen carefully. What is its beginning sound? Q, Q. Next letter here we have Y, J. Y is the name of letter and J is the sound. York. Say york and listen carefully what is the beginning sound. Yeah, it's Y, J. Yellow. Say yellow. Yeah, it also produces beginning sound J. Y, J. York. York. J, Y, J. Yo-yo. Yo-yo also begins with Y, J.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.